So guys, today we're going to be learning how to make cake. Yay! Who is as excited as I am? I am so excited, and let's just jump right into it. So first I'm going to start by trimming my parchment paper to size. And before placing the parchment paper in the baking pan, I'm going to oil the interior of the pan so the paper sticks. That's what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, the paper fits in properly into the pan. So next we are going to start with preparing our dry ingredients. So there goes my flour, and then I'll also add my baking powder, my baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Don't worry about the ingredients. All the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box. You can check there, okay? So I'm going to mix everything up properly and then set it aside. So next I'll be preparing my wet ingredients. So that's my butter. I'm going to beat it until it's creamy. Next I'll be adding my sugar, and I'll still have to mix everything up properly. You can see how it looks. Stir everything up and mix it properly. Cake needs a lot of mixing, okay? Next I'll be adding my egg. I'm using 4 eggs, but I'm going to be adding them one at a time. Okay guys, so that's our final egg. That's the 4th egg, and we're going to mix it all up together with our electric whisker. And that's our vanilla extract. Whisking everything up together. So next we'll be combining our wet and dry ingredients, and we'll be using our whisker to mix it. So if you're a newbie here, thank you for watching this video, and please do well to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our yummy recipes. Thank you so much. And if you're an OG, you know we have massive love for you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. God bless you real good. Okay, that's milk. That's milk, guys. I added a little bit of milk to the mixture, and then I've put in the final lap of the dry ingredients, and so I'm going to stir everything up until it forms a smooth a smooth paste, sorry. So I'm not going to over stir. I'm just going to stir until everything turns into a smooth paste, okay? And please guys, make sure you remember to preheat your oven, okay? I'm going to be baking this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And at this point, our mixture is ready to go into the baking pan and straight into the oven. And voila, there you go. There you go. See our cake. Our cake is caking. What do you think? Okay guys, there you go, and this is the end result. Although I think it got a little burnt, but It's nothing to worry about. It's looking yummy and it actually did taste yummy. My kids enjoyed it and so did I. All right, thank you guys for hanging in there with us till the end of this video. Hope you've learned something. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to check the description box for the ingredients and their appropriate measurements. Thank you. Bye.